Welcome! In this video, we explore inspirational designs for trendy upcycled denim bags made from recycled clothing, each tailored to suit a different style, occasion, and personality so you can find the perfect sustainable gift for your best friends. Picture a roomy clutch assembled from a mosaic of denim scraps, faded indigo, selvage edges, and occasional patterned fabric insets, stitched with visible, contrasting thread that celebrates the material's previous life. The exterior's tactile patchwork is balanced by a warm terracotta cotton lining and a slim leather wrist strap cut from reclaimed belts. Brass zipper hardware with a brushed finish lends a vintage touch while interior pockets keep lip balm and phone neatly stashed. The overall vibe is artisanal and free-spirited, a keepsake for a friend who loves flea market finds, festival flair, and storytelling through textiles. Imagine a sleek envelope-style clutch cut from the leg of a dark, well-fitted pair of jeans. Repeated top stitching creates crisp lines and a refined silhouette. A concealed magnetic closure preserves the minimalist profile while a silk-printed lining, rescued from discarded dresses, adds an unexpected luxury. Edge-burnished detail and subtle internal card slots transform rugged denim into a polished accessory, ideal for the friend who favors modern minimalism and carefully considered craftsmanship. Envision a soft denim pouch where panels of vintage lace, salvaged from old blouses and gowns, are appliqued across the front, producing a delicate counterpoint to the jeans' sturdy weave. Antique-style brass buttons and a small leather tassel heighten the heirloom quality, while a light linen lining keeps contents cushioned. This pouch is a tenderly feminine gift for a friend who cherishes nostalgic textures and romantic details. Picture a bag reworked from a denim jacket. Sleeve seams serve as tapered straps, flap pockets become external pockets, and the jacket's button placket is reimagined as decorative trim. A removable strap, detachable with recycled metal clips, lets the piece toggle from crossbody to clutch. Inside, strategically sewn compartments keep essentials organized, and reclaimed leather reinforces stress points. This is a pragmatic, stylish choice for a busy friend who appreciates versatility and inventive reuse. Think of a compact wristlet made from cut-off jean hems with their signature frayed edges left intentionally raw for texture. Hand-embroidered motifs, tiny daisies, lightning bolts, or initials in bright floss, personalize each piece, while a braided fabric wrist loop offers secure, hands-free wear. Durable canvas backing and a waxed cotton lining make this wristlet festival-ready and long-lasting, perfect for a friend who loves concerts and spontaneous weekends. Envision a spacious tote constructed from quilted denim panels. Each square shows a different wash or weight, providing visual depth and tactile interest. Exterior pockets repurposed from jean backs and coin pockets give immediate accessibility for transit cards and receipts, and long, reinforced straps ensure comfortable shoulder carry. Inside, a padded sleeve for a tablet and multiple organizers make it a practical day-to-night companion, ideal for a multitasking best friend who values form and function. Picture an upcycled denim clutch elevated through hand-painted details, delicate florals trailing along a seam, loose metallic brushstrokes, or a personalized monogram executed in chalk-like pigment. Paint is sealed with a matte protective finish so the artwork endures without cracking, and a soft suede strap and luxe brass pull finish the piece. This clutch becomes wearable art, a thoughtful gift for a creative friend who treasures one-of-a-kind expression. Visualize a reversible bucket bag stitched from two contrasting garments, the outer shell of sturdy denim and the inner face of a brightly printed dress or blouse. With a single flip, the bag reveals a whole new personality, playful pattern one day, understated denim the next. A braided drawstring, fashioned from recycled fabric strips, and a discreet interior label explaining its upcycled origins complete the concept. This adaptable piece appeals to a friend who delights in surprises and curated versatility. Imagine a compact clutch whose front panel is adorned with salvaged beads and sequins sourced from vintage garments. Glass seed beads, mother-of-pearl accents, and tiny metal charms are hand-sewn into floral or geometric motifs. The deep indigo denim backdrop makes the beadwork sing, while a plush velvet lining and a small chain strap tuck away for evening use. This clutch is a sparkling gift for a friend who loves dressing up and treasures handcrafted detail. Picture a deliberately utilitarian organizer made from the waistbands and pockets of varied jeans. Each pocket is accessible from the exterior for quick card access, earbuds, or transit passes, while the interior folds into a compact clutch secured by a wide leather strap and vintage buckle. Expanded gussets accommodate bulkier items, and riveted seams promise durability. Rugged yet refined, this clutch is perfect for an organized friend who values clever design and longevity. Visualize a structured satchel crafted from heavyweight work denim, reinforced by an interior canvas lining and hardware salvaged from old belts and satchels. Antique buckles, repurposed rivets, and brass clasps lend character. The satchel's silhouette nods to classic schoolbag forms, clean lines, a top handle, and an adjustable crossbody strap. Contrast stitching and reinforced corners echo heritage craftsmanship, making it a meaningful gift for a friend who favors timeless, made-to-last pieces. Envision a playful clutch with a dramatic fringe composed of finely cut denim strips cascading from the flap. The body is a sun-softened denim that's been gently sanded for a lived-in feel, and hand-stitched accents in colorful embroidery thread punctuate the edges. A secure magnetic snap and roomy interior pocket make it practical as well as ornamental. This clutch suits a free-spirited friend who loves movement, texture, and bohemian style. Picture a slim wristlet with a clean silhouette, personalized through a discreet monogram stitched in a contrasting thread. Crafted from deep indigo denim with interior lining made from recycled shirting, it's finished with a short leather wrist strap cut from reclaimed belts. The personal embroidery transforms a utilitarian accessory into a sentimental keepsake, perfect for celebrating friendship with a custom touch. Imagine a protective laptop sleeve tailored from durable denim panels, the front accented by a diagonal patchwork strip combining chambray, selvage, and a small swath of patterned fabric. Padded foam layers and a plush microfleece lining cradle tech, while an external zip pocket holds chargers and cables. A slim leather pole and subtle top stitching complete the refined, practical aesthetic, an ideal gift for a friend who works remotely or values functional, sustainably made tech accessories. Picture a compact belt bag constructed from stabilized denim waistbands and reinforced with interior webbing, designed to be worn around the hips or across the chest. Modular pockets, sourced from various garments, snap on with recycled metal hardware so the user can customize storage. Reflective thread details, a water-resistant lining, and a secure zip closure make it festival-proof and adventure-ready. This versatile piece is a great gift for an active friend who values hands-free convenience and adjustable design. Thank you for watching. If these trendy upcycled denim bags from recycled clothing inspired you, please subscribe, like, and share to support sustainable style and help your best friends discover the perfect, heartfelt gift.